Hi guys, Yang here and we're back with an update about Grand Combat. So if you guys have Grand Combat or participated with the airdrop, you should know about this big update coming from the team. So it says here that the huge airdrop is on the way, but what do we need to do is that we should connect our wallet to the game and then verify the wallet to be eligible for the airdrop. So it means that kung hindi natin i-connect yung at i-verify yung wallet natin, we will not be eligible for the airdrop. And then the airdrop is coming in November. That would be next month. So make sure na i-connect at verify natin yung wallet natin. Ton wallet lang naman guys eh. So let's go to connect wallet sa minibot. Okay. Pero yung wallet guys na i-connect natin is Ton. So click lang natin verify wallet. I have already connected my wallet, pero in order to verify daw, we need to send transaction. Sabi dito 0.2 Ton ang kailangan nating i-send. Pero 0.2, let's see how much it is in peso. Ton to PHP. Ayan guys, try natin i-convert kung magkano siya. So 0.2 lang naman yon. Yan, so almost 60 pesos din. That's okay na kasi 60 pesos lang naman yan eh. So maybe gas yung gagamitin nila. Pero dito guys sa pag-connect, you have an option. Kung may iba naman kayong wallet, pwede nyo i-connect. Pero yung pinili ko kasi sa Telegram wallet kasi andito na siya mismo. Mas mabilis siyang i-connect. Kailangan daw mag-send ng transactions. So right now, I don't have Ton. Pero pag meron naman kayong Ton, i-click nyo lang make a transaction. And after you make a transaction, i-click nyo lang tong button dito sa baba, which is ano nakalagay kanina. Wait lang. Yung nakalagay kanina is send or submit, ganon. So, yun lang naman guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-connect, kailangan yung i-connect ngayon and then send transaction daw para ma-verify so that we can be eligible for the upcoming airdrop in November. That's it guys. Kung gusto nyo rin na updated kay Grand Combat, you can also join this Telegram channel nila because they have so much updates recently. And if you want more airdrops with the step-by-step tutorial, you can also subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.